Your Honor, on 12/30, our office issued a new OWI, misdemeanor OWI, second warrant against Ms. Brock. That would not, the date of offense was back in the summer. And I actually saw yesterday that I believe the Sheriff's Department submitted a new warrant request for another OWI that also occurred in the summer.
Court calls the case People versus Letitia. Is it Letitia? Lestacia. Probably Brock.
Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people.
Stephanie Cannon with the Public Defender's Office on behalf of Ms. Brock, who's appearing by Zoom. Ms. Brock, could you please state your name for the record?
Lestacia Brock.
Your Honor, at this time, we're going to ask for an adjournment in this case. I'm going to ask for a slightly longer one if the court is inclined to grant it of 30 days. It's my understanding that there are new charges pending against my client. I am hoping that we could probably come to some sort of resolution. I'm going to try to do maybe a mitigation letter to help the court or help the prosecutor understand my client's position, Your Honor. So I'm asking for a 30-day adjournment.
Are the charges,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
you said they're pending?
So, Your Honor, on 12/30, our office issued a new OWI, misdemeanor OWI, second warrant against Ms. Brock. That would not, the date of offense was back in the summer. And I actually saw yesterday that I believe the Sheriff's Department submitted a new warrant request for another OWI that also occurred in the summer. I don't know what the delay was, but that would also be an OWI second.
Is she on a tether?
She is on house arrest for house, Your Honor. If you court remembers, the last time we were here, she indicated that due to charges outside of our county, she is.
Yeah. Is she testing?
Your Honor, I'm not sure. Ms. Brock, are you testing based on the bond conditions for your out-of-county case?
I will be testing twice a month. Probably starting next week because it was the New Year's. So yeah, for my other case, that's what.
So yes, Your Honor, she hasn't started yet, but it's her understanding she will be starting next in the next couple of weeks.
Twice a month.
Your Honor, I will say for the court's information that I quickly reviewed the warrant request submitted yesterday, and the alleged BAC from that incident was 0.4 something, an incredibly high BAC. So I certainly, that was part of my communication with Ms. Cannon, was it appears that her client may have a pretty significant alcohol issue, and I'd like to understand where we're at with that before we work towards any sort of resolution.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned January 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. Her bond will continue, but defendant to report to, or either report to community corrections. Well, report to community corrections. I want her on at least a sober link at this point.
Okay, Your Honor, she is on house arrest right now. Further, okay. I will get you the order, Ms. Brock. She'll need to take it to your person, okay? But we'll discuss that.
They can take it to the person, or we will mail a sober link, but she needs to blow into one.
So do I call them? I tried to call them to set it up, but I don't know.
Ms. Brock, I'm going to call you now. The court has to move forward. I'll call you.
Okay, thank you.